What's going on, guys? Francis here. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make money with this particular method I'm about to share with you today. And if this is the first time I'm stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos. I do make money online videos almost on a daily basis, and I document my experience on this channel. So if you hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell notification icon, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is almost on a daily. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive right into the video, and I'll be sharing with you guys this cool method, okay, you can use to make money online. All right, let's do this, guys. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to just go on to Google and just type in cities in USA. Okay, now this can be cities in France, this can be cities in the UK, this can be cities anywhere in the world. Okay, you can just pick any country you want. Okay, well, I'm just going to start out with the United States. Okay, and just click this first link here. Okay, I'll just open this on a new tab. All right, which will just take me to Wikipedia. Okay, this is list of cities in the United States. Okay, so you can see bunch of states and also bunch of cities. You can see Kansas City, Missouri. Okay, let me look for Long Beach right here. I was just looking at Long Beach not long ago. So we can just look at bunch of cities and states right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in, for example, I'll just go to Google. Let me just go to google.com. I'll just do a quick search on Google, all right, and just put in Long Beach, California. Okay, and I can just put at the beginning, I could just say realtor Long Beach, California. Okay, I'll just click on search. All right, so I'll be seeing a bunch of ads right here. You can see there's ads, ad. Okay, there are a bunch of ads right here on Google. Okay, and this is what we want to base our focus on. Okay, we just want to take a look at all these ads because these are a bunch of realtors, okay, in this region, all right, who are currently running ads, okay, that they are realtors in this area. If you're looking for a real estate agent in this particular area in the United States, Long Beach, California, you can actually contact one of these realtors. Okay, so they are currently running this ad on Google. Okay, so what we want to do is to go to the second page of Google. We don't want to stay on this first page. All right, we just want to go over to the second page. The second page is where you also find a bunch of ads. Also, you can see right here, this is page 2 of Google, page 2 of about 200 plus million search, right? And these are also ads right here, okay, on the second page of Google. All right, now this realtors is where we want to focus our attention on. It must not be realtor. This can be in any industry, it can be in any niche, but the idea is we are targeting people on the second page of Google who are currently running Google ads. Okay, now what we want to do is to reach out to these businesses. Okay, is to contact them because all this website right here, they all have a contact page. There's a way you can contact them on their website. Okay, once you go to their website, you can find their contact page and you can just send them a message. Okay, you can see we can go to this one and go to the about, or let's see how we can find this. Okay, this is more of like a directory. All right, so we're just going to leave this one as it is. Okay, this one right here is also more of like a directory. Okay, so basically what we're going to be doing is, okay, and there's a phone number right here. Okay, this one we can see right here, there's a phone number right here we can call. All right, there's a phone number we can call and reach out to these businesses, or we can send them a message and request their email so we can send them a more detailed presentation or quotation and all that, all right, about what we'll do. So here there's a contact us page we can click on to check out this business contact information so we can send them a message. Right here also you can see this is more of like a directory as well. Okay, and we can also reach out to these directories also. Okay, so what we're going to be telling these business owners, okay, who are currently running ads on Google, but their ads is actually showing on the second page of Google. Okay, and you can do this in any niche. All right, this is how to go. Okay, this is one of the fastest way to go also to make money fast online. All right, so we're going to be reaching out to these businesses and telling them about a tool that can actually help them get to the first page of Google and actually rank #1, okay, by seeing what their competitors are doing. So for them to see what their competitors are doing, okay, we want to refer them to a tool called SpyFu. Okay, you can see right here they're saying download your competitors' most profitable keyword and ads for paid and organic search. All right, this is what you want them to know about. Okay, and how you can make money doing this is you come down to this section right here. Okay, so there are a bunch of other things you can get to know about this platform called SpyFu. Okay, it's more of like spying on your competitors. That is what this platform does. So when you come to this section right here to the bottom page, okay, when you click on, let me just open this on a new tab, you click on this affiliate tab right here. You want to become an affiliate for SpyFu. All right, you can see right here they're saying recurring commission with 40% payout for life. Okay, this can earn you, this can build more of like a passive income stream for you. Okay, once you get one person to sign up, all right, once you continue to rinse and repeat the process and these people continue to pay their monthly subscription, you will continue to earn money every single month, about 40% every single time they they continue to renew their subscription. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be referring people to SpyFu using your own affiliate link. All right, and when they sign up to the platform, you get a commission, and anytime they renew their subscription, their monthly subscription, you continue to make money passively. Okay, this is one smart way to go if you want to make money online, and these business owners are willing to work with you. All right, now one of the basic things you can tell them is you can just send them a message, okay, brief message saying something along this line like, hello, I notice you are currently running ads on Google. Without saying much, okay, you can just go straight to the point saying I will like to introduce you to this tool that could help you rank your ads on the first page on Google search for your keyword. Then you can put the keyword here, which is realtor Long Beach, California. Okay, because currently your ad is showing on the second page of the search results. Regards, you can just say regards, you can put your name right here. So you can just pause this page, okay, to screenshot this particular section, okay, so you can get the idea on how you can use this as a template, okay, to send these business owners a message, okay. And somewhere here, okay, before saying the regards, you can just put the tool here. Here is the link to the tool. So you can just do something like this, okay, then put your affiliate link here. So you want to have your affiliate link from SpyFu, okay. You want to have your affiliate link from SpyFu. Once you sign up with SpyFu, the affiliate program, once you click here, all right, and you go through the sign up process, okay, you will be given an affiliate link, a unique link that tracks back to you, okay. And you can see right here they're saying it's a 365-day tracking cookie, all right. And you can continue to earn these commissions for life as long as the person you refer to SpyFu continue to make payment, okay, as long as they continue to keep their subscription and renew their subscription on SpyFu, as long as you keep sending traffic to them and people continue to sign up, you will continue to earn money and you continue to earn money passively, okay? And you can see right here they're saying they pay twice a month, okay? Get payout twice a month through PayPal or wire transfer, okay? A lot of people like PayPal money, and a lot of people also like wire transfer. I myself like wire transfer actually, because I want the money to just come straight into my bank account. But I guess there might be a little charge on this one right here. But the cool part is that you can earn PayPal money or wire transfer directly to your bank account, okay? So this is the way to go. Let's do a little bit of recap right here so you understand this entire method and how it works. The first thing you want to do is to pull up a list, okay, of cities and country in a list of cities and states in a particular country, okay? And it should be part of these top tier countries, okay? New Zealand, Australia, Canada, United States, UK, France, Germany, and all that. And you want to pull up a list of them, then you start searching for keyword in a particular country, in a particular city, okay? You can just pick a particular niche right here. It can be plumber, it can be realtor, it can be locksmith. Put the city and the state right here and search, okay? Once you see any ad on the first page of Google, go to the second page, all right? You just want to navigate your way to the second page of Google and see who is currently running any ads on the second page. Then you want to send them a message, okay, introducing them to SpyFu using your own unique affiliate link, all right? Make sure you come over to SpyFu and sign up for the affiliate program, okay? And where you can find the section you can sign up for the affiliate program is when you scroll to the bottom of their page, okay? Click on the affiliate section and you'll be brought to this page where you can register to become an affiliate. And once you become an affiliate, you'll be given a unique tracking link. Then you want to be sending the business owners a message just like this one. You can construct this message to be better, or you can just use this one right here, okay, and put your affiliate link on this section. You can delete this section right here, put your affiliate link and put your name right here, and there you go, okay? It's a numbers game, guys, okay? The more people you send to, the chances you are of getting people to click on your link and sign up, okay? So you have to continue doing this, sending this to different business owners over and over again. And from this, you can actually upsell or downsell them if they choose to reply you and want to have a conversation with you, okay? You can choose to maybe offer them other website related services, okay? So this is the way you can go to make money online. I want you guys to watch this video on screen right here. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified on my next video. Stay strong, take massive action. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.